Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer Ethereum from Coinbase to your Uniswap. Now, first thing you need to do is open up your Coinbase app and then you have to click on this send button from these options. Now on this screen, from this list of cryptocurrencies, you have to select Ethereum. Now on this screen, you have to paste the wallet address from your Uniswap app. So open up your Uniswap app and then click on this receive button and then your wallet address will be displayed. You just have to click on this wallet address at the top of your screen and then your wallet address will be copied. After that, open up your Coinbase app again and then paste the wallet address in this area and then click on continue. And lastly, you have to enter the amount how much you want to transfer and then click on preview. And then this might show you this warning, click on continue. And lastly, you have to verify details such as your wallet address and the network is same in both of your Coinbase and Uniswap app and the amount you are transferring. Once you confirm these things, click on send now. And once you do these steps, your cryptocurrency will be transferred from Coinbase to your Uniswap wallet. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.